chin and the youth a deal, you know. People just speculate and say Ray. You know what I mean? So it no like we don't have no evidence, we don't have no proof, but you them know say Shana Chin is a girl where, you know what I mean, do her thing and no care. You see me I say, and you don't know come no like Shana Chin from cause days and something, so you know what I mean, me I go make no ear what go and this up. We have Kiki and Domidan kick off my people, and we have other things we may even remember. So whatever you're not hearing at the intro, you definitely are going to see in the video. You understand? So make we kick it off my people, and maybe we'll add more things as we go on. Make we get in it.
Never yet see a woman left a man but get up and cuss him every day. It there she run Drakes. Say she get a bad boy for Drakes, and me I tell her say, Mama crash out Drakes, take you one little blood clot fly out. Drakes left you wealthy and lonely. And loneliness make you get up a cussy man say every day. Yeah, fuck around the man. The man not do nothing at all. He not take nothing at all. He held the kid. I walk over Panama so. What is going on over there? Oh, take back your money from the pin them. Oh, the puss. What? Panama? Yo, something must have gone to Panama. I was over the cheap. Must, because what the fuck? Everybody does that Panama, so I forgot go over Panama. What the fuck I keep over there? It's something must I keep. What the fuck? St. Lucia. Wow. Grand Kia man. Bomba. Wow. Kiss me rascal. I'm a traveler. St. Lucia. What? He go over a barrier. Oh, bomba clot. Yes, me say the cow blood clot rage, you know. The raging bull had two pussy clot. Me say the raging bull, she want to tear down the whole pussy clot place. Gaffard, mighty. Then if you left a man, oh yeah, crash out so. The man will shame you and show you say how much money left in you, them for go to school and them little thing there. It hurt me. Move your nasty chaka body blood clot from you so nasty girl. Move your pussy wall man. Every minute that somebody suck front. That even if somebody sucks on front, you don't go look bad, see a few then near. Move your blood clot because you look like a heap of garbage. Nasty big dog. Me pussy clot. Can you believe the hug different. All you know Drakes, where the house the way you feel bill for the youth them. Even though me see you left the money, me say the hug Bex. A bad mind your blood clot, bad mind, because when you go to Panama, remember say I buy you did I try buy one man mouth for set underneath your big blood clot. Sestant when I no wash in a dirty blood clot girl. You have one facet underneath you when I no wash every minute your blood clot drip. When you go over blood clot Panama, you did over there try buy one mouth for put underneath. And the man gone over blood clot St. Lucia and live in a one girl hole. I slap up but you jealous. Me here Kiki I tell you the truth. Before you go wash out Shanta blood clot clothes them, you there blood clot Jamaica. You there on Olympic. You need to go to the Olympic. Go lose some bomba clot weight. You need to go run around the field. You need to go throw a javelin something. But the bomba clot there. Go run up and down in the bomba clot lane. You big overweight thing you. You there watch out the man blood clot cocky. Oh my man you want me. You don't see like a dirty man no blood clot want you. You know say sexual frustration a blood clot kill you. Right now you're sexually frustrated overweight so big bomber clot hug. You is a overweight blood clot nasty blood clot girl we bet by yourself and lose because you're thinking dirty body man and you're thinking old. No matter how much time you ask him for suck him would still not give you for suck. He rather push him wood in a hole more than push it in a blood clot you. And you get up every day obsessed with blood clot Drakes. Go find sitting do? Go rinse out Shanta clothes them and make the pitney then go to school. You want workless mother, you don't want address that. You want company media address everything but you being a workless mother. Everything you use blood class CDA as one excuse. Oh, me can't go wash out blood class the pitney them clothes because CDA. Me can't go run at the pitney them because of CDA. Me can't spend time with the pitney them because of CDA. But yet still Drake's a blood clot do it when him did down there. You need to go be a pussy clot mother. Come address the fact say you are one worthless mother, one careless mother, one nasty mother. You don't even know how to grow your daughter. The other day me hear blood clot Shanta up on one phone with you. I couldn't even believe it's your daughter talking to you in such manner. Because you're a careless girl all inner city blood clot hog. You in while ago drunk or you be. Go and go address that. Every day you get up you watch cocky this, cocky that, cocky this, cocky that. Maybe baby father, maybe suck out your mother Drakes, thinking Drakes, you're supposed to Drakes. Remember say me whining in your face. Remember you have a pretty little freak. Nasty Drakes. And the hunger man couldn't tolerate you for 12 blood clot years. You say yourself fuck you this, you that. Go on back yourself, say you make it look like say you get desperate for bumbo clot cocky. You come on here, you turn on your big lawnmower blood clot vibrator to blood clot. Me if you wonder where the bumbo clot that. Me hear you, where you careless. That's all you care about is fuck. All you care about is hood. All you care about is who name who for pussy. Go find something do you overweight beast. Your bumbo clot atrocious looking blood clot bitch. You need to go find something do your dog shit and fix up your dirty stinking careless nasty mentality where you have all pit. Your dog shit, your man. Every minute you're done with blood clot timeline, I blow. Are you hunger blood clot exercise that? Go run round save you. Go and go help them pack up a blood clot garbage over Riverton. Over Riverton need blood clot help. Go use your big blood clot arms them as a fucking tractor trailer and take up the whole of the clot garbage and shoot them a one pussy clot corner. Go find sitting blood clot though. Go be a mom bitch. Because every day you get up and talk like a big blood clot single father. Thin girl, go find something to do. Go find something to do. Every minute is sex. You boy.
People, you want to tell me in the comment section what you think about Rosealee and how she deal with her youth them. You see me I say because you are my people. She come and say Jakes no left no money for the youth them, you know. You see me I say, me explain to you yesterday in the previous video, you know what I mean, why Jamaicans don't like to tell people say them a go foreign, right? Maybe if Shanta and Barbar did the household with Jakes him would have tell them say yo me a go foreign, but because them a stay with somebody else, him no want tell them then go tell somebody everybody know, and you know what I mean, you know we don't want nobody jinx when we a go foreign. So the man left money, the only thing him never do, I tell them say him a go foreign. Seeing because last night, you know, Rosealee get mad upon the girl that I daughter and run her away, take back some money where she did a give her. Seeing because the girl tell the truth, said Jakes left money with the woman. Jakes never give them the money, you know. Jakes give the woman where them a stay with the money. And are the right person that will give the money. Why Rosealee take back the money where he did I give the girl a picnic in a previous video, my people, and run away picnic, tell him to go and go get the money from the woman where Jakes give the money. You can't terrible so nothing but Rosealee. You know what, my people, me need to talk no more. Yeah, go on, tell me what you think we could watch some more.
Yeah, buzzy feeling. Girl, go find something, do you overweight so. Move your bumbo clot, man. We tired of you. Tired for see you, bitch. Move your nasty overweight bumbo clot from your so girl. Every day you have a problem with everything but your weight. You know, say your weight is a blood clot atrocity. You need to fix up your blood clot mentality, your overweight activity. You need to fix all of that ras clot. Bro, me I wonder to bumbo clot. There's not every day me can't get up and worry about when my blood clot baby father do. Who him a fuck? Me need some fuck and me whole and me big and stink and so overweight and look nasty so. Me will have to live in a blood clot pumpkin skirt like a Halloween for me every blood clot day. And me just a get up to blood clot just for bumbo clot business but my baby father. Girl go lose weight. Go drink some Slim Fast. Go up on a grass diet like blood clot goat. Drug her. When you not go up on that girl, yeah, damn to my blood clot protein and box food. Leg of the heap of fucking pork. Leg of the heap of chicken. Let it go. Heap of sachets, the whole heap of this and that. You're an atrocity of a human being. Fix your thinking that this girl did it. Make I tell you something, yeah, man. Fix yourself. Because this not look good. What the fuck I talk about? Who the fuck you looking like that? Me Ross, the other day you go over the boy, sour neck, sour navel, you all of your blood clot body smell like back a ears ring. Me I wonder what the blood clot is. Me say girl you smell like ears ring back of me if you want. How you got one man yard look so? Head dry, you not put yourself together but yet you go there if you want fuck. Move your blood clot girl, you smell like underneath cow balls. Move, hey, you overweight thing. Get away from here with that mother shit, bitch. Because what the fuck is you crazy? What's wrong with you? Come off of the blood clot media with that bitch. Go and go find Shanta. Be a mother dog. Go learn how to wash out a uniform and press it. You understand me? Go and go get Shanta. You sit them together for school next week. Wash out the whole I pin in the uniform. Iron them. Put them on rock and carry down there with. You see you want to be a single father. You overweight blood clot. All you drakes. You dead there. You come flex. You come go like say you have some kind of Bill Gates. You dey on blood clot vacation and I left money for picnic or extra lessons. Let me tell you this. Go build your house. Go build a blood clot house because you left from house to turn in a blood clot man in a unbuttoned shirt from blood clot beach front property. What the blood clot you feel like, my boy? When you over exalt for yourself to jakes. The who shall exalted shall be a base. And that the Bible says, stop over exalt yourself. What the house the way of it, you more time you're there, they have blood clot breeze a blow through, sheer blood clot shirt. Go and go get some cement. Go and go fix up your house for Shanta them. You up on blood clot vacation, but you have bumbo clot Bill Gates. You not build fence. Go build your house. And that me try bumbo clot tell your youth. Me don't know and you a give your baby mother things for talk. You see the overweight sour who power bumbo hole. I guess so I get up and cuss you every day. He's out. You get up and what the fuck you flex I do? You rich? What the fuck do you owe me boy? Oh yo. This year, this is the food for them eat today. This year money for keep them for the rest of the week. Watch you now. This year, extra less money. See this money for you, for go and hold off for you them. You see that money here to keep this is ice cream. Move your bumbo clot, my boy. Where you going with? Yawa in front way. Yawa in front of blood clot way. Leave us out of that. Do the right thing, Drakes. Just stress out, go up and never know, see the pitney them. We are use unnecessary money gone all the way to St. Lucia gonna do. You play cricket? I want the blood clot. This is 2020. Go your yard, Drakes. Go fix up the house down there. Me not understand. It won't deserve each other to worthless being. It won't deserve it. What the fuck is going on? What the hell is going on between the sheets in my home? Me have to wonder what one in our home. When the home not steady a blood clot, you come like a Titanic, so go off smooth and then boop, licky blood clot, icebreaker, gone underneath the sink, Jack gone, Rose gone with other man, ungrateful bitch. A life goes on, pussy. You get up every day with this unnecessary flexing. Go fix up the house, Drake, say your big so baby mother can come off of the internet with the heap of cussing. Go on, man. Come in and know what the blood clot deal. Ross clot. And this how I calm yourself. Where you dirty man there? Where you vampire there if you suck out your blood clot blood? Go call the batty man and make him come soothe you. Because you need soothing, your big sour weight blood clot hog. Me not even did know some people did have blood clot hog as pet Uncle Charlotte. Uncle blood clot Charlotte where Missy Pig a blood clot pet, you know. Go and go rub down your you can't calm the fuck down. Every minute, calm down your blood clot, tag me boy, Charlotte's Web. Go catch him and rub down him bumbo clot. What do you? You make this big stinking overweight thinker. Listen, calm yourself. Go to your fucking hug. This wheel, go train your fucking dolphin. Because I don't know what the fuck is going on here. I don't understand this. So when me see couples are arguing, I get in the middle of that shit, you know. Me don't know who did the boyfriend or who did the blood clot girlfriend, but you see when me see two Batman in a feed them business, me not trouble Batman behavior, you know. Cause if I one thing with Batman, when them a war lethal, you know. You understand me? Them war, yeah, drop out, them go beat, them one another kick, them one another out of car, ungratefulness. But me I go tell you the truth, slime, me say from you go over blood clot Panama, go this girl, you salt your fuck. You know that thing, they no walk you hobby over there, you know. You this girl, you know, me say they fling a gozo underneath your thinking blood clot, you see. Me say from you come, me boy, oh you spiral down, you know, me boy. And one thing, me know science when me see it, you know, me boy. Me say the science of fuck your left, right, and blood clot center. Me hear Captain Blood Clot Jamaica, which is Pops him. What is wrong with Captain Foam? I saw me call him, you know, Captain Foam. Your mouth can't ever blood clot foam. So me if you want to have a foam party, you keep in a fear bumbo clot mouth. Me hear him in the background. How you reach up a slime yard so fast? The whole owner just coming like one big bad makeup again. A boyfriend them, so they stay. But man never stay away from them one another too long. They soon kiss and blood clot makeup. Hey, the hug. What is wrong with the hug? He no plan to go wash your clothes, the man then sitting there. He stir me about it a come down to Christmas, you know. It had come near down to Christmas, I'll know me no see hog go get a paint. I'll know me no see hog start wash down your house. I'll know me no see hog go get a blood clot bedded. Me no see the hog start dig out one place we make one inside toilet. Nothing. Me hear the hog say want move, but move go where? Anywhere you move, go you think you go sophisticated, go do what? Nobody no want hear you in a feed them neighborhood, boy.
My people, tell me what you think. Rosalie, before you leave that house and go rent somewhere or buy somewhere, you need to leave a proper, decent, inside bathroom at that place. Do not move from which part you live now and don't build a nice decent bathroom. You know what I mean? You live there how much years. You not taking nothing to do that, you know. It don't take you nothing because you already have a bathroom structure. You see me, I say all you have to do is just buy some tile, you know what I mean, and buy the necessities them and get somebody if it just come put in them. It not go cost you $1 million. You see me? You can't even get one little trade man from around the way to come deal with it for cheap. You see me, I say, people let me know what you think.
Special day. Yeah, and 2 cigarettes, matterhorn. Yeah, me send barber fee. I want mad. Nobody no want that in there. I report you to the Republic. I report you to the association. Shit pit, you can't go live amongst people. You hug. You have to stay away hug there. You have to stay in your natural bumbo clad habitat. You sit down this alone can accommodate a blood clot dropper like you, a piss pot like you, a shit pot like blood clot you. Only there alone will accept a overweight, agiso, a nasty blood clot, uneducated, low self-esteem, dirty blood clot girl. Only down this alone would accept such atrocity. Only down this alone would accept that mess. You look like one good pile of shit. One big pile of blood clot doodoo, the doodoo emoji with the on WhatsApp to blood clot. You look like a pile of shit where Bounty put in at the angel bed middle to blood clot for no left him. You know coming like water shit cause you no run you know. You coming like it tough water one cause when time it drop it make a foam and then it goes a boom and have like a ice cream shape. You shape like that, you shape like one bag of water. You shape like one bumbo clot noni, like one fucking coffee table, like one whirlpool fridge. You feel me like the cabinet them in your bumbo clot house. You shape like one whirlpool washing machine. You shape like one front door or one back door or one slide door. You shape like one of them wall infest the wall AC them. You shape body of fuck like Jamaica economy. You shape like Andrew nose. And you is a terrible shaped in human if you can shape like Andrew Wellness nose. One big overweight blood clot mess of a thing in front of blood clot. You gotta go fix yourself. Boy, you inject your belly and all know we no see you lose no blood clot weight. Go walk. Go and go do some blood clot cardio. I know me not tell if you go in a gym, go lift no weights like bumbo clot. Me go walk, girl. Go do some blood clot cardio. Go skip. Go play some hopscotch out and go with your big sour overweight blood clot. You can't bring your life with your lazy, your blood clot lazy. You not like cook, you not like wash, you not like do nothing. Look how you're sour. Go clean out underneath here. You have a big heavy meat and drop out from underneath here. You go on with yourself. Go fix yourself as a human. But man and your mouth that the blood clot think in front. They move your blood clot with your overweight nasty shaping bumbo self thinking. Me know I said say God not sleep, but me know God did sleep when he make you. Me not ask you. Father God did a doze off. I tell you, when God make you, God doze off. Father God make you fuck. And he say, yeah, me make your salad put in your mother belly. Look where you turn your overweight sour stinking self in. Father God now have nothing to do with the way how you do your chaka overweight, low self-esteem, blood clot. All you, me I wonder, you say them a bully you from your little bit and you don't get a rope yet. You must never meet me. You should have been meet me. We don't meet you when I'm young. I would have teased you till you grab a rope. I swear to blood clot, God. You don't see ugly man. You look like when I was squeeze up bulla, not bun. You look like when you squeeze up bulla. Tough blood clot, bulla to blood clot. So you broke and then you have to kick you and squeeze you up. You shape body in your bumbo clot face. Look like somebody blow up your face like one fucking balloon. You look like one big finger balloon to bumbo clot. Shape like it told you they have a resemblance upon the timeline every time. Hurtful behavior this big and go on with all the time. The Agna behavior herself, none at all. And then Drake's him from the boil boss. I pay things Drake's are going with him. Here Drake's. Here Drake's now. Drake said, bumbo clotting left that wealthy and lonely. Hey. Right now, mama wealthy and lonely. Every minute you crash out from people bumbo clot timeline. Money if you run. Eh? Wealthy and lonely. Drunk crow. Eh? Look which way you there crash out right now, girl. It's a lifestyle moment. Me see boy Drake's him. They on beachfront property with blood clot breeze a blow through shot and red. Drake's go sit down. What do you? Go sit down. Sure. Bumbo clot. What you mean? Hey. Not like when I see the backfire for you. This backfire wicked man. Me shame me fuck. I don't know me. This year, Mr. Parry, this is the wickedest backfire me ever seen in the history of backfire.
People, tell me what you think in the comment section because Rosalie did feel like say she a go left Jakes, you know, and him a go itch up on the street side or suffer, you know. You see me I say, me tell you no say, this either I go two way. It's either Jakes I go get a woman from foreign to come take him up because a whole heap of woman out there where a look a man on TikTok. You see me I say, me tell you no say if Jakes go up on TikTok, him a go get the support and him a go get a woman. But if him no go up on TikTok, you see me I say, him a go live in a regret, say boy, him fumble Rosealee. Cause of that Rosealee did want him to itch up on roadside and she a drive past him and I look down upon him, But it not happen. So now she a crash out every minute and I make up story and I say this and I say that just for the man losing popularity and stop get gift. Yo, me say, you see woman more while, boy, me at the people, wanna make me know what to think.
Fire. Oh, me get a man. I make you boy for run. Kissing and make never kiss after that yet. After that, you never get a next bumbucklad kiss. One kiss, you go for say you hurt up man head and fuck up the whole of your bumbucklad life. You fuck up your life and I crash out and I go on like say, people and sister that you do. You know say blood clot him never want you. But you claim to say you make your baby but father feel a certain way, cause him fuck much girl upon you. Look now, you're fucking wealthy and lonely. Not even Bima couldn't make bumbucklad Drake's chat back to you. Drake's gone to bumbucklad, had a girl and it burn you. You crash out because you never expect it to go so. You never expect social media to gravitate to blood clot Drakes. You never expect social media to give the youth a warm welcome. You bring down the youth mentally and verbally abuse that man, and every time in kicking at your blood clot, you deserve it, pussy clot, because you is a disgrace and a disrespect to the fuck man all the while. And a years now, Drake should have been come out and make people see who the fuck you is. The kind of mother where your blood clot be and the kind of fucking baby mother where you be to him. The man do everything in that the house there. The only thing you can do is bring him down feet and cuss him and bring him down in a neighborhood feet boy wash drawers and this. Which man would kick in your face and turn you over one bumbuckler place? If you talk about him them the way they not try disgrace him and them thing there. Any man who done kicking on your pussy clot face and box you down girl. And that does it truth.
Just come in back for a Cvtlass chat. Well, man, like my baby. Joke is this. And instead of getting back, you gone for the life. Is that easy enough? And also forgot for I owe them there. Alright, also.
You know me no go. But anyway, when I discuss that, what's up? How about you?
There.
You see, you looking handsome tonight as I was selling nights.
Thank you, baby. Okay. I just had a shower like maybe an hour ago. But I think tonight I have to choose. Somebody think tonight I just some here my dad.
Plans change. Stress again. So what that happen now, but that happen. Somebody do me here. Right now, but that happen. I think that happen, but it now, but that happen. So I'm going back a square one with that story. I'm not do me here. Because I'm waiting, everybody not come, so you know, cut that. I'm not do me here.
No, yeah, so.
What about you? What was your day?
Well, not bad in a day every day. I sleep out most of my day, I'm not like. Oh, my God.
Somebody died, so. That is funny. So what happened, bro?
You've asked me that about a million times.
I've missed you.
You don't miss me. You don't miss me. I know when you miss me.
Where's that?
You don't miss
I miss
me.
the true man.
I know when you miss me. I tell you something, I know when you miss me.
Why you say that? Why you say that? I miss you for true. Yeah. You know, why you say that?
Cause I tell you something, I know when you miss me. Don't worry, I'm not gonna tell you when. Cause I know why you use it as the advantage. But I know when you miss me.
I'm not missing you now.
Alright.
Tell you a lie, me I tell you.
Yeah, you're not missing me now. I think you're missing me now. But no, when you miss me, I tell you. And then when you do it, you see me on your foot. And I say, what a feel like that.
You think you say the other day, I miss you?
No, my girl and me, you know. If you wake up and go so you know the see me the next day, I don't miss me, but now you don't miss me now.
It have to be a reason why you take me and miss you. I'm missing you, baby. What's wrong?
Yeah, when we end the live, I'm gonna tell you why I tell you why I say that. When we end the live, I'm gonna tell you why I say that. You know why I say that right, Jesse?
Bestie! Hi! Friend? I don't work, you never go to your bill. Do your work now. Do your work. You don't work today. See, I miss you for true. I miss you.
I say, when we end the live, I'm gonna call you, look out for my call, I'm gonna tell you why I say that.
They can't text me now, me I look.
Nope. I call you when I end the live. You love the thing for your time, you know. I'm gonna look for you.
Yeah, man. You say you miss them, I sit here. I miss you, I tell me I don't miss you.
I'm gonna say,
Why you think that?
when we end the live, when I call you, I gotta tell you why I'm say so. Okie dokie.
Do you feel like someone I love you again?
That can't stop. Can't stop. I'm not actually telling you that.
Oh. Wow.
all when you try.
I can't take it. Hey, a week out, you know?
Watch you know. You say if you never love me again, just look back at you. I'm gonna know the AC remote that you.
Alright, my people, want to tell me in the comment section what you feel about Akeem and rosealee. Are you guys still entertained by them? Tell me what you think. We go watch some more.
Yes.
You can't take it down anytime. You can't take it down.
No, cause I tell you that. You see what I say?
Let me not look on it.
When you see it, you just know say yo. I feel you on that thing. You see? So there's nothing where me I go worry about. I know when you don't love me again. Well, not gonna reach you. I can't reach you so. I don't know. You tell me now. As you say.
But I told me they love it in me fool. I want to swallow my spit.
I said did?
That fool. No, I'm still love it till my fool.
Oh. What a feel like, bitch. It's important to like me. I want to go to trim my idea, you know, come look like a madman, but
You're gonna shave tonight.
no.
Let's see your status.
I just post random shit. Don't follow my status. I just post random shit. Me come here talk to my girl, I can't play no music anymore.
You never play the music.
No,
You just post random something.
I just post random shit.
So that never have no meaning. What's up, Church? Okay then. What up, say a chat?
Some can't just post random shit.
I think I'm not want no argument with you. What up, chat?
Let's say for you, mother, and me, blood clot, mother.
You know something?
I'm not want to.
You stay, so the two will eventually know each other.
Alright then. I'll meet you here like Burger King.
Me happy, man.
No happy no in you. What you know say? But me know when me I go do.
That is all listen to you. No.
Me no business what you want to say. Me no business what you want to say. Find that.
No, me find it.
I know me are the cause why you're not happy. You have to find that.
You want to see more continents you have a butterfly in my belly. Really?
When you say you want continue see me have butterfly in your belly.
Yeah, more when I say me have butterfly in my belly.
So it not always happen.
That's all the time.
I just say something to you. It's when you're in your vibe, your mood. You hear me? Worse when it not pertaining to me. I not have it. I not fix you, I not mash up. I just tell you that from now. Yeah? Me not fix you, I not mash up. You see it? So when you're ready for it, you know what the badness.
Man.
Alright. I don't talk to you. Power tap the light by the chat.
So we can give a baby father 1-6. Kayla!
Come in, power tap the light by the team.
Kayla!
Over far up there.
Kayla!
Power tap the light by the team.
Kayla! Can't go look for him blood clot wife and him blood clot wife. When him say nah suck him with the so I'm left far. I'm tell me that. And him be mother we a sodomite. Or if you go argue me be mother a sodomite go suck pussy. Freaky Friday can't argue with blood clot. Me a clout ya look. That's why me not use you. Go suck your dead mama and your dead poopa. Stinking Carlos. You stink na blood clot. Shit house, broke blood clot England boy. You want beard. Broke England boy. You broke no blood clot in England. You can't come here and have no money. And you said my baby mother you have your weapon. Fully half a blood clot for you can't come fuck me. I'm tell you me no fuck from you. Remember you all look fuck from me, you can't class me. Come never beg you no fuck. And you are run down my blood clot for them in a answer you cause your days are numbered. Me a top girl for your waist boy. Remember you are run up. Go suck your mama. And you dead poopa while you at it. You stink na blood clot. Where? Top girl. I call us a crosses. When me do that blood clot all long time you check married man. When me do a married boy salt up. Eh? You live for my name day in day. Every day you live for my name. Remember who na hold box with my name? You a top girl for Carlos cause I hold box with my name. And that me say. Me a top girl for them cause them a hold box with my name. And that me say. Me don't know how them coming out trouble him. And that me say. And you run up on me, suck pussy boy. I'ma run your way. And you call on my phone, go suck your mama. You stink like. Where? Chancro. That's why blood clot. What the girl name again? I don't remember what the girl name again. Shit and piss in your blood clot. But you're freaking a blood clot. You know what me I do with you? Where? True. Chapter can't get 2 money gone. Nelson, you know, and that's what the Nelson, you know. Nelson, if ever me to go, I'm going to trouble him. Nelson could identify say me a troublemaker. Nelson, the man a come in my inbox. I'm send him my number. That man you call me, but him, you know, so I never save Carlos number on my phone it. I have never saved his number because I'm not interested. You understand? I have never interested. You understand what I say? No worry about if the man no want me, Carlos. Girl no want you. Cause you married and your wife left you. You have to pick a sodomite. You have to pick a girl. You have to deal with a girl or fuck girl you curse. Cause your baby mother sodomite. She suck pussy and kiss you. You know the terms there so. Your baby mother sodomite will suck pussy and lick up body and kiss you. Come look for old Jamaica. You have to come near my wall. And you not come for freak and you come near me so. Me no want you. I when me shake by the yard run behind me, you like shit and piss in your blood clot mouth is a loose cannon. You can't argue with me. And you got your girlfriend go lick out batty and suck pussy and I live now in a blood clot in they broke like dog. Suck your mama. Now run up on me. Now run up on blood clot me. And your baby mother suck pussy like dog here there with her. You're freaky Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Where? You can't talk about you in a blood clot. You ball over the hole here. And me no want you. Remember you tell me so you don't come with your baby mother. You gonna let your baby mother come spend 1, 2 or 3 days for me. I'm gonna tell you nope. Nope. So all you for argue with me and me reject you. Are you want to come to me, you know? Are you want to tell me so when the baby mother get lay off for work, you're gonna come to me? You forgot? So all me don't never lie me I tell. You know stupidity? Are you other him tell me so when he wait for him baby mother for come here? Him say wait for him baby mother for come here. Because when she did have her baby, because him and the wife not no more, you know. Because him say him left the wife because the wife now suck him out. Him say him left the wife because the wife now suck him out. And the wife, me the pin in them hate him. And you call me and tell me a problem, Carlos. Is you call me and tell me so you want to come get bright like me they want you. Me never want you, you come and tell me.
Alright, my people, so I don't talk too much. Me know what you think in the comment section because this a youth you come out of the blues and talk how man Rosalie used to in a relationship and this and that and blah blah blah. And that's why when you're there on top, you know, my people, you have to be careful of some people, you know. Now the man I say one time him knock Rosalie and be a bad things he must say about Rosalie. First when him just come and be a good things he must say. You see me I say? That's why you have to be careful when you're there on top because you're going to have all different type of people who are coming in your life for different reasons and them are going to come with smile and pretty face. Most of them not trust them. So make you watch some more.
Problem. Remember your boy will fight me for fuck. Remember good. Me know you long time, so you're very aggressive and you're worse than Jakes. So me never blood clot fall back in a year trap. Cause your boy will literally grate me. Cause you're very aggressive. And like bad up people, so you stay. So me never want you. You forgot a young time that? Your boy will bad me for fuck me, Carlos. You forgot? We call that grape. You forgot? I'm very aggressive and disgusting and nasty. Oh. I'm Rose, me have come here. Him left him wife, cause him wife now suck him out. And he meet him baby mother and breed her. And I know say true when she have baby she get some lay off her work. So true when she have baby she get lay off her work. So that true. I want to go know what details in a chat. I don't understand. You have to understand, Shan. When it comes to that boy there, me never trouble him. And you come in an argument with me. You walk come in there, you can't class me, Carlos, and you beg me fuck. I know if you come for me not answer, I can't show it. I can't show you I come for me not answer you. Me not call you. Show it, say me I call you. What taxi I trot? Every day they put my name. Put in a box. And you all look out after me. Show say me used to call. And you are calling my phone. So you come from. I say, which England cross is this? 44 in the number. I don't know. Every single damn song in a box with my name. I know I'm a wicked. I clout him I look. You know when me turn to the left, I'm talking, oh, make me a start. I say, me and I do blood clot. Every day I keep box with my name. Every single day. You keep box with my motherfucking name. So cool. England crosses. Cause like the up the 2 o'clock cool and flip in your blood clot. And I vibe in a junk crow. Every day I keep box with my name and I like you. Instead of use you. I make sure block you and I'm block if you don't follow me. Me not follow you. I me block you from my phone because you look clout. Because I never want to do this national, but that's for them stay. If I put them in them place. Because I'm telling my life, when they realize you walk over, they will walk. I will not ignore them. I will put time slung back over my name. I'm sit and do like I don't see it. Because I know them don't real. Them like walk on people. And you used to farm box with my name, so the fuck me I run down you. Me begging on back cho a boy. Chat we can't get 2 money gun. Me love and respect Sean. Me love and respect my people them now. But don't have to understand. I saw them stay. Them walk and look when they act, them walk and look close and them walk and look close of your name and friend you. And when they reject them, I reject Carlos, make him a go on so. Carlos, you can't class me. You can't class me and me no want a friend for me, you. Cause you the plan for come to Jamaica come fuck me. I tell me, oh, me come to Jamaica come fuck you, me I can't do live. It not go work so. Cause I'm sure you say. I want boy, me say straight on the app. Someone know where you are go. Where you feel like I keep going to tell me to chat to you, me don't want to chat to you. I mean I look on you. I just love the story. I mean I look on you. Cause I know something you comfy. You're hungry enough and something you comfy beggar. You now stay a blood clot. England live off of me. When I live nowhere. You have to suck your mama. Your bright tea. True. Me now make you stay no England live off of me. Go suck your mother. And that's your problem. How you take me a mascot? Me not give a fuck what you want to say. Carlos, you never gonna stay in England and live off of me. I want you to bite out my hole. And that's on Bible. And that's on God. You're not staying England and go walk in a hole. So cold. Call lick out batty. Remember people to lick out batty for. Cause the one we married they never want her. People to lick out batty for. You come by me. You call my name. You broke like dog in a foreign. And freak in a blood clot. Where? You call my name. You come by me. Cause me not like me own no friend. Oh. Try to look 2 more live gold.
Alright, my people, tell me what you think. Make you watch some more.
Anybody in England don't want it. Colors is disgusting and them out not bad. All them want here with rebel. Hear me now? I want this tree some. That piss me off. Like, why you do that? All them want here. I want this tree some. I not like that. So I realize something about him in a chat. I realize these things. I'm going to see them realize. I'm not saying the blood clot, but if you tell me I eat that. I'm very freaky. Bad. I don't want your colors. I tell my boy suck wood. I want to come to Jamaica. Me now you can't come to Jamaica to me. So you see when me Roger came there, you see man GX. And them a cloud tracer. Who no call us freaky. I like all batty. Me not argue with you, you know. No bother with me. Carlos no bother with me. I go along in a history with you. Oh. You go like your things. Carlos say like all batty. Me not argue with you, you know. Me not argue with blood clot you. Relax and real and no bother with me. Oh. I'm in a trouble here. Me attack out of my mouth. Chat, we can get 2 more live goal. Who know him like Albati? And who know him me not tell a lie pan him? You know what I mean? Not tell a lie pan him stinking blood clot. You the junk the one time I want to come back now? You're hungry like dog in a foreign. Germs. Me done. Chat, we look 2 live goal. Legendary, my baby want. Chat, we look 1 more money gun complete the live goal. Them a cloud chaser. And come with wolf in a sheath clothing. And go on let them can trick me. And when I reject them class me. I'm not gonna be the first or the last to do it. Like, listen, guys, you have to listen. Me's a Gemini, my aura, my accent. People better, me black all people better page. If I come on my life, come type something, me black your page, you know. Cause me can enjoy your speech with you and behind your page. And you are look why not chatting with me, brother. And you have my name in a box all day long. And you are look cloud. You know somebody, me never suck your wood yet. Oh. Have I when you see me never follow you. I don't want to come here and make me say Jamaica and mind you in a foreign. Well, so long you use your wicked sep, where you stink like. I be a talk at 2 times ever fuck 2 and a late hours. And maybe you bad me up the second time for fuck you, cause my pussy good. And you bad me up for fuck you, where you stink like shit. With a suck nyam fuck baby mother. And you suck good wife. And you dirty like where you live in England. Don't fuck with me head. Oh, long time suck all lick up batty. Finish now. So what you want? Me done. Me done to chat. Power taps the team. Legendary. Thanks. Chat, I look 2 live goal. I look 50 money gun. No, me I finish. My family. What am about to show my disgrace? Maybe it's with kicking me out there, but I'm black out from my phone. Like, yeah, come down ramp with me. It burn me. I saw me stay. Thank you, legend. I saw me stay. My feet, I saw me stay. My team, I saw me stay. Them not real and them want to come around here. I'm pick them, but I know them not real. I'm call on my phone. I can't screenshot the message. I'm call on my phone. I'm not answer him. Come with me, I'm pitting them there about them business. Me, I'm pitting them. Oh, I feel GX and this and that and I'm in a war. Because what? Members say no chat where these men don't realize say no. It's when they're young and stupid and naive, you're easy for going and influence. As I get old and life takes split and nature takes its course. You don't want them again. I never show them as I'm not call him. I'm not interested. It's when me like a boy, leave him and go get a reality. It's when me like a boy, I'm going to call it 24/7, 7/24, every day. It's the one to see me stop calling every day. I'm not interested in you no more. Me interest a drop. Me never call Carlos yet. Him was a call me. And the last time I talk about feelings, me what about their feelings? Me hang him up. Because at that time, me did so in love with Aki. Me know why you're not fan of body. Me did so deep in love with Akim at that time, and I him Mr. Straight, Carlos, me never want you to find you. That's why he was so short to let you know that pussy move. You need a bed in England. No, I thought him about I look at him, focus strat. I look too money gone. Every day song in a box with my name. Every day. You couldn't come trick me. Them couldn't come up. Every day song in a box with my name. Chat I look too live goal. Chat me done. Chat me done because Richard and pay the match with Swiss 8:30. Him have some. Him say me for on time come out. Me now move. We wait till 8:30. We are going to recharge and play the game with Swiss. Him have him tournament to play for God, Ray. So we have to stay on and play with him because we don't want to miss the time. Can't go away and come back. Him have the live face, so we have to, him say Rosalie have on time. I know no love me no, but I'm going to tell you why. I know no love me no. I'm going to tell you what, but I'm going to tell you why the problem. I'm going to tell you about life. I'm going to ask you to understand. You see in a life, when a person realizes it's a weak fence, them not stop texting by you. Because if you know I was a laughing stock for the beginning, what the bumble clock you come and say and chatting with me for? You look somebody for use that everybody can use me. You couldn't use me twice in a life. You know, some is a laughing stock. I'm a shit, but I'm why you come here? Cause you know your intention, and I pick it up from the get-go. You never real. You just do a clout here look, and you never real. You know me a laughing stock. You know my shit, but you know all of the things about me long time. Then why you come and I pretend? Okay, so if a boy pretend with me, I mean, no, that me hate you. Me can't like you.
My people, that's why I'm telling you, say, you see the attitude here and the behavior where Rosalie have is like a she kind of, where I say, you know, create it as a defense mechanism, but it get out of hand, you know, and she turn into a monster. You see me? And the people do it. That's why you can't allow people to change you. You know what I mean?
Me hate pretenders. Are you fake? You're fake. I'm not like fake people. It give me allergies. Because I don't know when you're lying. I don't know what you're telling the truth. I'm a fake bad. So I know say. For you pretend with me, a great pretender, me hate you. Me can't like you. Oh? Focus. Can you call me not cause some bug government bill with the kids? I can't tell nobody that. Because what? He might do box every day. Say, oh, Rosalie did say, for look the cloud. Me never tell him my business film compare up on social media with the government business that. Oh.
10 points. Because number one, if you all left K, they all left K were full of ambition. You see the wrong side of K, you know. Probably you know more than I do. But if you don't marry, then you work on certain things. You see, hypeness, brother, that now that work, and when you come out with one look a fluxy mango girl, that now go work, brother. You know what you should do? If you even want to tell us, say you go lick K chip, bro, and show say K, me can, and say K, are you that hold me down, are you that this? I'm tell you what you should do. Focus on your music. Start go to some small islands. Try to start get some bookings. Get some producer where you know go produce your music more. Certain hype on there, something that you loud that and focus on your music. You focus on music with a blood clot. Tomorrow if you then career gone with gully bap to pussy wall. Gone bury with gully bap, you know. And that you gonna do. You're a stupid ass. You're a stupid ass. That's how we get from it. Cause you go show off, but you go show off with funny woman with rug rat, with mattress. Eh? The whole music industry know about the lady. The whole yo people are laugh off of you, bro. Don't feel like people not laugh off of you. 10 point, me can tell us say people all your friend them on your corner. Them good they yap you down. I said that boy that really there, that the girl that can support everybody you all. And you have that the girl in your face about baby fuck back the bitch, you give back. You're a stupid ass. You're stupid. There's no way you can live your good pussy clot woman. Eh? When the woman that fire in the woman also not paying a rent and not do nothing, not paying no bills because all them have to take care already. And you woman decide say I'm gonna live you want back your woman. You ball and to you all of the woman friend them because you want her back, you want her. Then you come talk about Lego shirt. You have shirt for Lego. Well the woman Lego shirt to blood clot. Me don't know how you reach over there so. Cause you better you want her back for your shirt, you know. It better carry still a hold your shirt to pussy clot because if you never let go your blood clot shirt, my love, you let go the shirt and it come like the Melissa drop the shirt in a one shit pit. Yes, you're stupid. I don't like this song. Move on a dirty blood clot with that. Me no business. Me not rain for that because me no like it. But if me go fuck, if you fuck back your ma, let me see me can't say any. If you fuck back your girl, me a go hobby you. Hobby who? I choke you no want a dirty hood. Make you wouldn't go fucking back and hobby. Go and go hobby him now. People who want to listen to that song that feel like a joke she make. RT-Bass can't tell them about Chish. RT-Bass she have a hobby man down at Westmoreland or St. Elizabeth, but the hobby man is not supposed to go and no call Melissa no come down. Just look at it. Now I shall not invite some house because it will contaminate me house right now. I can't deal with that. Me there try fast and pray on antagonist. Hey, me don't want in my house now. Me play in my van or maybe out a door, but not in my house. Me don't want advice in my house. Me? You could have crazy. You should have hand up out a door right now. Wait for me. For me bang around. Hey, don't want them. No, me don't want advice in my house. Me sorry. One next time me play that, but I don't tonight. If I did dear. Me don't want advice in my house. Me? You could have crazy, my love. Hey, face part time. Me go say me can get cuss on the phone one night time, yeah. And people, me go tell you, me go try lead you on to this. If you can't talk what Shana Chin do, you will never believe. God no. God no. You go for you're so confident in about and our face I look favor blood clot June plum. But if you fuck back your girl, me and I look on the boy like she nice. You know, so I look nice, looking like some like some look nice boy. Sarah, and I go on like 10 point of somebody. Fluxy like. I look. How old is a camera smart? I say your name from what they ask in request. Go on, the guy would have one come cause me like me can't deal with that right now, me dear. Me they have tried talk about people and who me like and who me not like and people business cause so they talk about mine and I ain't seen it. So me have to talk about it. You understand? So you're right now nobody with it. I don't like me I tell you fuck a face you ever right June plum. Top girl Chrissy. Hey, who this sexy Chrissy? Me not I don't know my box cause look here. Me no want nobody come cuss me brother. I'm gonna let me talk who me like now. Look here, anything I have to say, I go and go click phone live and no me no want nobody come. Look here, whenever come from them, I come. Me no want them come phone. Click phone live and go give you an opinion, okay? Or make a video and say 10 point and Shana Chin, I don't like the song. Me personally don't like the song. I believe it's fuckery. You understand? One, yes, I just think of foolishness. But if you fuck back your girl, me I go obey you have a. What you need? Me can't even pass apart there. We have a girl down at St. Mary. And she go use her in khaki and brushing teeth. Remember me have a goat throat. A dog throat in her about goat throat. Goat throat the pussy clot. I see and we so she did come out with Italian. After she fuck cuz. True she want lick cuz head. she go fuck Italian, turn Italian a perfect body man. Cause she use dildo fuck out the whole of Italian body hole. Tony boy in a body man. Contact about cause sucking pussy and cause not suck the pussy like shut up and cause and sinting. Cause she have one shine it up here and quiet. She traumatized when she can't bother with people. May I tell you no? You can't say you don't go hear about she and a pussy hole there. Here? Oh. Tony boy. Remember one time Italian they come cuss out the bomber clot. Me and my woman have YouTube channel. Me rascal Italian, come here know where that gone. And me and my woman this, and me and my woman that. Franchana chin left Italian thought Tony Batman pan call it whole like Batman them pan the internet man them a blood clot friend cause Italian just like the dildo in a body now so you want the real hood. Tony boy in a perfect bomber clot fish. She do it and she contacts and him fucking with him dildo. Just look at it. Anybody where she can control, you know what she name controller. Anybody where she can control when they're ready to go is problem. Cause alone can't get a bounce back. Boy, I'm sorry for him sometime and I don't lie about Juto. You know? Yeah. But by the time I pray for him and help him and I know I go through fasting and prayer and then look at something they always send in picture in my prayer group them with my church them because I'm in a proper prayer group, you know, because I'm a good girl. Whenever I feel such a cuss I'm baga me enough church hello sister come then call me, you know. I pray for him and sit now. But you can't tell like me know me I left him making stay in a misery. Me not look on him again, me sorry. I not take him out, I can't stay in anything when blood clot, you know. Sorry, my love. Because I could go to my pastor and tell him, say, my daughter, father, and pray for him, and tell him, say, I go through some stuff, and, you know, that's surprised to see how boy that look good and fly up back and look like one nice go Tweety bird. Yes! But I not do that. I make him stay right which part in the kind to lie and tell lie for me. So I not help him. I make him stay when them. Ashana chin. Hey, remember one time, you know, man. Cause send some messages to me say Shana Chin I'm sending some message and some sitting and me say black her Shana Chin that keep on birthday party blood clot the girl tell him so oh if you come and party and she gonna make sure say anybody will come with him each one of them will get NSC and think table go big just forget the boy at the party where she keep you know and he never go crash right out over him. Yes. In call all him father, tell him father. All me call tell me say boy, me tell you the truth. My baby mother, me love Shana Chin, me love her. Me say what you say? Me say me love her. Me don't know how me love her. Me try to avoid the connect. Me can't avoid her. And if me ever talk to no woman or so, me fuck them now. Me gone or they won't come and me help me. I'm gonna reach me. Me nobody want fuck them. Me say true. He say yes. God no. I saw him do the people them. You 10 points, you go on. You think you see nothing, you just know what go up there. Who got a big head there where you have it alone or left for one skinny body. Cause killer dead, you look good. Head big and favor half dog. I don't know what case this is for you. I don't know what case okay, must have looking at sense. I saw the blood clot me do this a rug rat. Head.
My people wanna tell me what they think in the comment section because me nah lie still you know the dog change from him and Shana Chin there and left you know. At least him did have him look ways them before still. Yeah, him did have him ways them before. Cause I think him used to put on wig or something before Shana Chin. But boy, me no know. To each his own and a man choose how he want to live his life still. But me I go tell you something people. You see enough of the man them wanna see turn swim around. All enough man we say them a girl is and turn swim around. A girl make them turn swim around, you know. I go tell you something. You see them girl start name body. Yeah, they start name man body. Especially man where them want keep, man where them love and want keep. Them do anything if you keep the man. So once them start name the man body, you know say right there so the man develop a feeling for run at the back part there so. And then start explore turn big body man. You see me I say? So all of the man them out there never make a girl grow on your back part no matter what. You see me I say? Never. You see it? So let me know what you think my people make watch some more.
Big your fuck and go on like in hot. Go on like in hot, yeah, go on like in hot, go on like in hot, go on like in hot, my dear. Thank God take care God. Look okay, I can tell you something. Hear what? Do not give 10 points and Shana Chin no attention. You see, if 10 points they come with one woman with in a bank clothes, Or if 10 point they come with one woman from America, one no baga woman, one nice woman, very nice, you know, calm and easygoing type of person, ambitious person, believe it or not, you could have look. You better 10 point you go try look bling and I quiet because you know so bling a love fuck man and Jamaica and go on like you know do this, you know. But you better if 10 point you go fuck blinger and keep it calm and I quiet or something. You know what I look away there? Probably you could have just know say right then. As somebody where she baga and thing and love for business, but as somebody where not too fucky and fuck out. You know what I way there? Yes, my dear. You better need to do that. More than you pick up like, boy, yes, Jesus Christ. Me can't believe say boy losing the career in the music right now in the industry. Cause look what 10 point gone to. My God of gracious. Mr. Finn look a friend in panic and almost then go there use her she, you know, cause them is like that. And type of boy they still like that, you know. So maybe all of that too, we don't know. But we don't confirm, so we don't get to social media where we don't feel no way about it, because we don't feel no way about it. And I don't want nobody come for me say me I bring nobody, me just talk it truth. Is it truth me talking? 10 point should go this so. And if you're going to do one collaboration, you can do your collab, but the expression on social media make everybody know say, yes, you fuck her. Because we know him fucky. You get what I say? But you look one girl on social media, we look good. I never see nobody on TikTok who would say, who would say no? My thinking could have go with when I would say, boy, may I tell you the truth? In deserve her I'm gonna see which girl on TikTok I could have think out. Miss Triple she over there so with fear rich people them. She never go look. You understand? Triple over there so. But me not see nobody. Triple. Well I wanna say I dance Kitty. No, Kitty no another category. Kitty baga. Blinga over there so probably me just think oh look I don't fuck Blinga but Blinga will show it if in the I don't fuck Blinga but I don't so back Blinga now I mean look man so I will show you who else me not nobody paya a caviar eh no sir I don't want him fuck Cavi too hypey and go I like Cavi now want look away now but he couldn't fuck Cavi cause Cavi dead chip one time that rascal ready no sir he can't fuck Cavi. He can't look at Cavi. No, me look. Hey, put that over there so. But Cavi, Bangarang Nakos. Let me tell you who. Who me see by now? Maybe Rosa. Let me see. Let me see who could I really say. I don't see no female on this platform would I really say if you take an hype. You know, so I search out the internet. When I check the levels of it, it's long as search the internet. And that you do. And true, she do music and them some there. Pallian, what you say? Let me see which woman me thinking could have do but me could have done with a woman paya. Me not see no woman paya. In the have to just get one girl behind the scene with downloady or something. I better nigga look at what's your name? Pretty. Maybe he could have look pretty. Cause pretty a nice girl, you know. Yeah, I like pretty, I like Rebel, I like TC. Pretty a nice girl too. 10 points would have fit pretty. But I tell no lie. Then that fit pretty. But you don't know say period. Hey, me not really comment me the mute. Yeah, I'm gonna pretty me would I really see when you could have a fuck run pretty. Alright. Just if you need do that collaboration there with pretty and them a go on and think in it. Hey, move on with that. And then that go on where I sitting in it, believe it or not, the song would have blood clot of a buzz. People talk the truth. Anyhow, and they do the collaboration there with blood clot pretty. If you ever do the collaboration there with Pretty, cause Pretty have a better DJ voice and more acting. Yo, this song would have bad. Choo. But if I go take a little career with a little bumbleclad mongrel, we really want to fuck you and really would hope you and really get the pussy already and them look something there. if you ever do the collaboration with Pretty the blood clot, me tell you, so the internet would have tear down. His song would have bad. At that time now, the media...
Alright, my people, let me know what to think. I could watch some more. But on a level, my people, I don't feel like say Shana Chin can freak out K. You know what I mean? Husband. I don't feel like dog look militant still, but you never can tell. You know what I mean? Let me know what to think. I could watch some more.
Come out and say blood clot K. The boy do that song, I feel click your chip, you know, mama. Cause we know, would I know say, Pretty now want him, cause Pretty have a nice man. But the song, you get the song, anyhow we do the collaboration with blood clot, pretty. That song that would have reached how much in million views already. The song would have get ready to play. The song would have dance a lick up blood clot dance. Every dance they go people, soundbox a bust out. That not period because people don't like Shana Chin. If you carry this girl somewhere with gully bop. That not come back way. The song that dead like dog. Me give that Christmas that the song that not run. You remember I tell you that? Christmas that the song that not no run. It done. So maybe better go do one song.
And if Jayden send man go threaten him or Jayden send man go box him, why him come to TikTok police station come and make report? I know say TikTok busy. Why come to TikTok police station? The police station are in the vicinity. Me just want to know all of them some here. Because Christmas come and Jayden and look at all even complexion. Kind of see me show put on film tambourine pan film face. And so you know we're going to have Jayden as cornbread for the December because Jayden I go burn up, you know. Oh, because Jayden the bleach clean. So when she come up to the point where she had tried develop, she had tried control some tears. And they never tell lie on the youth. Jayden don't worry to you. How much people come in a Jayden complex for kill him and Jayden have to look through window and make it through the night. Huh? How much car load a man stop at Jayden gate? So one little lie with slime a tell upon Jayden could have never cause all of these big rockers. I just something I not understand. I not understand some intellectual murder people remission. I can't fire full and gun like take a man. I don't understand. No. I never asked if I saw the song go. I don't know the song go. But it's so near, but then near though.
I think the man part out me.
What is that? Have a beautiful day. Yeah. I say you looking nice. Okay. What do you say? What's on the song? Yeah, my friend. What do you say? What's on the song? What is the easy? It's my long mistake. I don't want to look. So, sing it again, remix. No. Why this man always send my request? Yeah, something else bearing for true. Exactly. Mr. I'm going in the comment section and people must have been there like, me feel it for Shay, say, shit, boy, I don't know, Jayden appear Shay good. Jayden appear Shay really good, really good. Slime not even look hurt. Slime not even look hurt.
121 Duke Street and 32 to 38 Slide Road. Call us
at Christmas I come and them have to control the app.
38.
Remember them have to control the app because if anybody no sister Jayden fall off on the internet, them like Jayden fall right off. Right off.
Station unit is here.
And it's just the truth. So we're done there. Man, you respond down, you see. Lord, where is done? They have too much to done. Where is done? I miss done so till. So them thief dance bike up there crash Annie car. Is Annie set up the bike to get robbed? Is Annie set up the bike to get robbed? Cause why we dance up in bike more long and the bike no miss her? Is Annie set up the boy bike so she have to go make for them to beat him? So them rob him and a beat him. Why are they expensive? Are they come with whole heap of things, man? It's a package. Oh, before what? They keep the bike before it crash. But it's still unfeatured. We can't take it back, it's still unfeatured. And you know who have the license plate? We can't take it back. So who Anya go beg? The thief bike boy, them Anya go beg not to be credence? How is this blood finger is? The boy they were thief the bike, Anya go beg them to be credence. You tell us that Anya have a part to play in it, man. Then coming and speaking of Annie. Lord Jesus, I don't know him. I don't know. Wagwan! Are you your mother walk? Your mother dress you up though? Good for you. Bring your back along, go right now. I told your mother for carrying a bubble and clip. Bring your back along, go on the king move and unit. Then your woman terribly. Then your woman said the whole family I want to ugly. Why she must dressing up for like Sunday school on Saturday? Bring your back along, go. What good are my things like you? Bring your back along, go. Them woman terrible and them ugly. I pity them ugly and she can't dress them up and say them favor frightened. It's like problem. Call us. Little piggy head, you know, son, them little bit ugly, them come out of the big nose family. Water King Mobile Unit is here. Yeah. Purified water refill. Them up here too. Water King Mobile Water Refilling Station. Come here. It is here. They look at okay now. It is here. Come here. Purified water. Then TikTok police, they now make the Christmas sketch you, bro. TikTok police, they now ramp, man, they now make the Christmas sketch you, bro. But before I go there, so, I want to say something. All big, and he have a big hole I walk with, and he all big like foot. Me not ask for no, and he all big like shoes back home. Me say, I have a video in my phone with TikTok police khaki. Cause they know him good, me don't know how TikTok police keep up film good so. For come in at the video. For come in at the video. I say TikTok police have a big hood for themselves on the app. Something wrong with your cocky. Something me just feel like your body curse. I say TikTok police hood big. You must get that wire for the app. You must get Emily there. Emily. You don't have no more $70 and $80. We have bid the money here. Bid. We have bid the cocky here. No man. TikTok police or my sister or big finabo. Something wrong with your old. It's either your cocky big and soft in like a boy. But something wrong with your old. Too much grabbing in your cocky. Too much.
Alright, my people, I'm going to run through the rest of this quick and fast. Let me tell you something. You see when Mrs. Slime and the Lion Man, them inner things, boy, me hard to believe, my people. Me don't know. Me just can't believe so easy when them, because you know them always inner something. You see it? Alright, not really inner something, but them always run some type of joke, prank, whatever. You see it? So me can't really believe. You see me? Although, fully me don't really believe anything I see on the internet, you know what I mean? But me worse when it come to that, so make me know what I think.
Rubber in your khaki. Yeah. But come here now, Mr. Stan. Bring your back along, go. Purified water, refill. Good for you. From your band, bro. Right now, the mobile unit is here. From your band, bro. TikTok police from your band, bro. Your underpants ugly. Jesus have mercy. Your underpants look dirty like cold stove leave outside from rosealee machine. Me say your underpants, me say your underpants dirty and it's stretchy. Your underpants big like shorts. I get it. Me just ask you, it puzzling, dazzling and puzzling. No man, like in trouble with the underpants there. They need a pack of fruit of the loop. Me say one thing I know, when you are pissed, your body supposed to tired. A whole heap of water supposed to run out of that tank. The teacher police, your hood too big for people that hold it and not something. That should have can't stand up on its own. Your hood too big, man. You don't have no blood, you don't eat. No man. Me that lift you up and put in my lap and feed you pan calalo. Whether it's ring or steam. No for sure. Me know your hood no good car and not rolling down and bling and not paying for it. Me know something wrong with a big cocky then. Me know something wrong with your big hood. Your hood only big but ineffective. You know big and lazy. Your hood big like Rosalie and lazy like she. Yeah, you beat a Rosalie in the underpants. You man need beetroot. Don't boil it. Make him eat it like apple.
Call us at 830-3488.
Yeah. Want to get everything, man.
What the King Mobile Unit is here. Come and get your purified
a business for you. That's why I say, Annie must be disappointed. When Annie say you and my friend, she never talk to your own big and act. I know them people that you're supposed to say. Oh. Yeah, them people there. Them people they're supposed to make you do artwork by looking at it. I mean, when you're going to find in a reaching it, oh, in a reaching it. Yeah. Yeah, it is the classic. Listen, when that are dropping an honey well, and you're supposed to feel like the whole liquid dip up. For sure, she must feel like the whole liquid dip up. No, for sure, general and like. Then people when they have the tight, them not bad tight. So I don't know when you walk with tightness far and the whole world loose. And I really idiot and go like me I keep convent of mercy underneath me. Me go like underneath me is a nun. And if underneath me a nun, me I ride the bicycle with the dildo seat. Oh, with the seat make out a dildo. So where's Jake Shibby? Boy I'm a baby. Right now Jake they don't want small island catch up. They don't want beautiful, nice, clean piece of house with somebody with body and no back. And Jake's supposed to eat breakfast already. I wonder if him born no eat it on the balcony. Eh? I think Jake's is going out for lunch or even brunch. Who knows? Jake's is living like a white man in a black skin. How dare you? Is it the Bridgerton? I think so. Jake's just a go on so. Huh? While Ursula crashing out. Under the sea. Under the sea. Me know my neighbor come from neighbor look my boy body eye. That hurts me. I can't be bothered, you know. That hurts me. It's like give me a warm side. I want to swap your steak on the tile, you know. I want the fragrance of this so later now when I rinse off my floor. I rinse it off, more fragrance, man. My table smell too moldy. Too much liquor scent and condom scent and cum scent. They're on my table. Yeah. Yes, my love. Too much of recently. My little body feels sexy, see? I want to let me mature. But no Jakes is about space. How will they move my blood finger go with Father Jakes? Jakes and this will send you out for. Hey boy, I'm gonna tell you say in a private and not the road. This, what is this? Kiss me. Oh, kiss me. Oh, you kiss me. Jakes out and about when you used to go out, kiss me. Oh God, my friend. I said this a while ago and feel away. Beg your beer now. I want to drink my sorrows away. Beg your beer.
You can't help him.
You know the man can't lend me.
I can't afford.
Give me it hot. This a get to me. How are these people on my cellular phone?
Deeper business.
Oh Lord. My friend, the beard in the right here, so?
No.
Oh Lord. This a pressure me. But he say, I want somebody tell me if I garnet silk this. Oh, they mash out so. Matching, splashing, restless seas. Absolutely people in the door, buddy. Sometime coffee, sometime tea bag. You know, you just don't know. Yeah. Oh God, you. Wait there.
Look how them never used to want to play with me. Everyone now we have the same thing. You would never see me send you a match. Me and one I person over here, so I want more with my 60 people over here, I'm 50. Me not frightened of the crowd.
Not grinding, not surprise.
95% of the crowd, them negative.
At least you thing with 8 woman, but if a man run behind man.
You make sure if you not put on nothing with me, put me face in the do. You want to see me a moon, do. The Batman store for me, do me a beg you know.
More yourself, right? That's why I'm still flap. Flap where? Love boy alone, man, and go on.
Yeah, me not frightened for them. Me not make them make me feel no way. Can't flap, cause first and foremost, me not live for nobody.
I run back at them, I follow back at them. Oh, me never run back at Jayden. Jayden see me do me thing and give me a box. And I'm put in the work. Several different persons.
No energy, me not need.
Several rows.
Jayden never said no flowers from the TikTok yet.
Oh.
You say me have a team when lie to me off the stream.
So you pay me for that?
Sometimes, yes.
Yeah, I'm frightened for people. You send up any boy or any girl under them mama man. That's what means that you just not bother with them thing there. Cause that
well, still I say we just
top of the screen.
We just know you as Donna and Swiss Toilet.
And we know you as Fabby's use pad. Big C, pussy jar, steel jars, panty line.
First thing first with Jayden, you can't bring up any topic. Bully per topic. When they come out to my name, you can't bring up any topic. You can't bring up curry. You can't bring up any topic. You see, my name no stop on one topic.
This is it.
My name you can't bring up Ashley. Every topic.
Don't mute
my
me
name stop on one topic. You can't say
you brush your body bumbo clock. If you ever talk, you look brush your body rascal. Talk.
Any topic.
Guys, use the double, guys.
Man, don't mute me for talk. If you ever talk, let me talk.
Use the double, guys.
There's no way me I cannot go back and forth. I am mute me for talk. Brush your body, man. Don't make sense of that. Dead dog.
Double, please.
You see it?
Alright, my people, as I say, me not talk too much. Make me know what to think. We're going to go over on here now.
You so much thing you can't talk about me.
So where the fuck you do? Let's see how brush your body, man. Lick your... Where you know, nothing else. You see? There's stores and things you can every minute. Donna. Everywhere you turn, every time me add you, Donna. Brother, let's go, brother. If you like a man, brother, just tell man say like him now. How will the bumbo like this? Brother, let me tell you one next topic where you can cuss me about. Cuss me about one topic say you can't beat me up. You can't use that, you know.
Why she have
so?
So what?
The girl beat you.
What you mean?
Yeah, can I hear that story there before say your girlfriend beat you?
You hear that story there, you want to hear that story there?
What?
Oh, you want to hear that story there?
Yeah.
What do I?
Remember you did that for my case. I want to hear it.
No, I want a toxic relationship and...
And you don't know what going on. Don't say that on me.
Brother, another true blood clot. You know blood clot, hear me?
so I go buy it.
You see me?
So I go buy it and the man violate me. Weed. Man dig am running for me, dig am face, but oh, me a talk about him thief bike and this and that. Me say, what you do, bro?
Dig,
you deaf. Look at my neck, dig off my face. Me say, what you do, bro? I'm a walk well if you go buy the weed and the man say, bro, man, respect for that. Because man violate you and nothing, you respect to me. Come in. Come back. Rush man and rush me with blood clot, last hand and picker. I feel like my baddest thing. So me can defend myself now. If you never come back a elder.
You nearly chopping you, if you never dropping a youth that get
so you could have stabbed me up and do me things.
Me never say, Bumbo, listen to me no my youth, I want to you man. Me I tell you say you did not chopping you, that me I say to you my youth.
You show you say me walk that shop, you know say I go buy weed. Weed no bun good, we go buy 2 bills bag. I walk past, you say you're brown chops, me say you're brown, me not talking, soon circle. Run up to me, pussy me, do things in that place, me say what you talking about? Run up to me now, dig our face, and me dirty in that place where me I say, I eat that. Me say, me make police kill your pussy. Now walk away. When me I come back, you have blood clot picker. Approve. And the elder tell him easy.
Me mama bomber as clot. So how much does something get in your face?
You know man say, me I set him teeth my bike and ray. See him bikes on me and all your reason with them.
Yeah, say him, yeah.
Like that the man have in the face, so when you think so red and so got to take in the face. So if you take you in a face, 2 minutes then I'm going to
brother, me never know say the man bomber come. The man bomber come, me can't take a disgrace, brother. You understand me I say Chanel? Me can't take a bag of fooling. But this come here stand what if a violation. Me never know say Romario lick him. Me never know say Romario lick him. Say bomber come Romario go lick him on the face, sir.
Because I talk to me kiss me over the right.
But then you have to realize that the people that are up to, the people that are pre him. And that me I tell you because you not see that yes, the people that are pre you know. You not see that you know. You not see that. You not see that the people that are pre you know.
Sorry for wrong. You can't write it.
What are you saying? You can't do this and so this have a blood clot so. So a war, the one of them have a bumper club, and me want to know, me no want no war around me. Me no want no war around me. No, me can't manage this. Me can't manage it. Me can't manage it. Me no know how, me no know what go down. Me can't manage it, bro. Peace and comfort me a blood clot look. How about the blood clot is? Give me some of that.
Omar, a bit controversy, brother.
Omar, little man in his face.
Remember yesterday he come to me and tell me about he make we come out of place too much days we want to stay. I mean I say, oh yeah, do you charge it? Or he must say you say you want to come out of this and that and my bad man friend this. Friend this so me a pre man, you know. Cause me I say, why you come to me consider them so at the same time I come to you and say, mommy you said this, you say, me never said nothing so. So me I say controversy, man, I try to make you all
yeah, because we got to him yesterday and tell him, say, bro, no come back near my family.
You want to know tired, brother, something you say, you're not talking back today, brother. And then you see man on the road and I come build vibes. What kind of style that?
Me bumbo clean. But I don't realize that we you say him the people them a turn pan.
Yes, I don't understand. So we don't come from you saying you have to learn how to build, you know. We are bad people in our family.
We don't come from both ya.
Family, I say with baby, you know.
You see me?
This man run on pan him, we are going to defend him that me a talk boy, little man birthday to the chain and know ya man.
No, me can't do that party. That party I know me can't do this. Me can't do this. You come now, sir. Me go shit in a churchyard. Me need to find the church. Me need to find the church. Me need to find the church. If me shit in a yard, me go clean it up. Me need to go find the church or me go shit in the churchyard and go clean it up. Me now go through this. Me no come here so for this. A peace and comfort. Me come for me can't do this. Me there so good. Pan line and problem just jump up so. Me blood
blood clot. Daniel say him the boy lick him in the face. So that's why him go there defend himself and run come for the cutlass and run go down there. And then me I tell you say it now go down. It now go down. It now go down.
People, let me know what you think in the comment section. I want this man, Red and Sam, boy, every minute or something. Eh? People, let me know what you think. Make a watch some more.
Down here so. I know it now go down here so because Daniel chop off and blood clot this while I go drop the boy drop.
I drop him.
Then the boy never drop, Daniel chop him.
You can't lick a man in the face, brother. I can tell the man about, yeah, me teeth you buy pussy. Wait, you are telling me for murder, you know?
Brother, me can't tell them I suck me. God know I don't look good. Honestly, at the baby birthday today and the whole of the day so calm and everything and this just come up to blood clot. That's why I tell the guy yesterday, say, here what? Just done it, love my family.
The man come and say, me teeth you buy. Oh man.
Son teeth you buy?
You say, me teeth you buy.
Oh, you?
And when we don't get how we go down there, so we are going to do. Oh, we are going to do. Bad man, you know. I say, yeah.
Well, I say, you must say, him teeth, right?
Yes, in front of my face. I'm turn up dealing with the baby. And I say, Daniel, chill, fall back, brother. You see, when people are babes, so have strategy in your brain, brother. I was saying, come fryer.
Turn it for me. We can't, oh Jesus Christ, we can't deal with this. We can't deal with this, mama. This too much. It's too much. It's too. Give me a oh. And I'm saying that if you never jump at Daniel, chop him this morning, you know.
See a man, see us a couple man goes whoop. I saw me see us go zoop over a man and the axe jump so I looked at me and said, Jaja. I gotta see it there, you know, brother. But man, do in a house, brother, dear, bro. Come on, sit down and say, yo, that man. Everybody I want, when I say, yo, the youth here. The youth are not move you, bro. Don't make him come on here. May I come?
Alex. Alex.
No.
Call him downstairs. I don't know nothing good this. Goodness. Yeah, blood clot something else different, but right now I'm not talking. God no. Move go away. Me this come here so I'm comfortable. Me not trouble people. Me not trouble people. Me not trouble people and me not talk up to people. Me not trouble people and me not talk up to people. I'm not that type of person. I come here so I feel comfortable in a community. You understand what I say? Yeah, that me have to go do. That's all I have to go happen. Because I don't want them to mess up me, brother. But me never know say the youth lick him. Me never know say the youth violate him. You bumbo clot. And the thing is this, the truth is to him not listen. He not listen. When him ignorant, you can't talk to him. Because all you say, yo, easy, done. Because you know where it go. You see me, when him in the eat him, not hear what nobody say. Bro, me don't know it, but guys, here what? The bike, and the bike it a come off. And the bike it a come off when them thief him bike. You understand what me I say? So me don't know, he must hear some information say. I must see the youth thief, that the man thief the bike. I is not a youth, he's a big man. You understand me? Me not be no hypocrite in the middle because me know the youth from class, from as what me tell you say, me know him from school days. You get what me I say? Right? I know the youth from school days, as some me know the youth. But they must say he must teach some bike. You have to listen both sides of the story. Yeah, stop. Adapt me do. Because this while ago me I say why did Daniel go and violate people. Daniel tell me say my pass and the youth come out and lick him in his face. No, he don't. Him say the guy come and chuck him in his face. And he must say that's why him run come up now and come for the cutlass and go down there. Right? But Daniel must say, him must say, and the youth must take bike. You understand me? He must say him get some information, say the youth, you know, bumbo club, me never want to hear nothing about it. Better right now, me never want to hear nothing about bumbo rascal, you know, come murder.
Morning, Annie, what's up? Annie.
Murder go buy back a bike.
Morning, Annie. Annie, listen, the people them in the community know so he's a woman beater. You understand, so it's much more than the bike. You understand? So any chance them gonna get, they're gonna mess him up. You have to understand they don't like him. Any man that put them on a woman, a next man are gonna look on him like a pussy. You have to understand
That's
it's
Daniel.
much more, yes, it's much more deeper than that.
Me see because the people them ready for violate him like everybody me see for them say him them have a violate.
Exactly. Him have to go and family. Him cannot stay there. And that's just the truth.
Jesus Christ.
It's putting your family in jeopardy in the community. You know what I mean, sir?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, oh Jesus Christ, Maria, me know say them are gonna mash him up.
Exactly.
The people them in the community, look here.
They don't like
them
him.
Them are gonna mash him up.
Of course.
So the people them against him, you get what me I say, brother.
Yes.
If Daniel have to go to his foot at the place because the people them already here so have it in mind to deal with him, you see me?
Exactly. Nobody don't want no woman beater in their community. It's much more deeper than that. So if a guy come and say, yeah, thief your bike, even if I'm not him thief it, him just want to start up an argument so he can have a reason for fight him. You understand?
Yeah.
It's much more deeper than that, Annie. Sorry to say, but it's
I understand. I believe you. Because what I see this morning is much more deeper than that.
Yeah, man, you need to lift up, man, and go on. Enjoy the baby birthday, you know, just go back and enjoy the baby birthday. But figure out your car situation and just part ways with him. Because it's always going to be problems. And you have your kids. You don't want your kids them to get involved in it.
Yeah.
Understand? So, and just have a blessed day. Enjoy the baby birthday and just be safe, all right?
All right, baby. Thank you.
You're welcome.